Every pig farmer dreams of having sows that give birth to plenty of strong, healthy piglets. But the truth is, many farmers are losing money because their sows only produce a few piglets, or sometimes the piglets don't even survive. This can be very discouraging. The good news is, you can change that. In this video, I am going to share with you tested and trusted tips that will help your sows give birth to bigger litters, reduce losses, and increase your profits. Stay with me till the end, because these simple changes can completely transform your pig farm. Before we proceed, if you love our teachings, kindly visit the comments section or the description to support us do more research and travel to farms across the world for more experience to share with you. You can also support us if our videos are making an impact on your farm. Thank you.
First point, choosing the right breed. The first step to having a sow that gives birth to many piglets is choosing the right breed. Some pig breeds naturally have larger litters. Here are a few examples. 1. Land race, known for large litters and good mothering abilities. 2. Yorkshire, also called large whites. This breed is known for big litters and adaptability. Selecting a breed known for larger litters can increase the chances of your sow giving birth to more piglets. Let's move to the second point, that is proper nutrition. Feeding your sow the right diet is crucial for her health and the health of her piglets. Provide a diet rich in energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. This helps the sow maintain good health and support the development of her piglets. Also ensure your sow has access to clean, fresh water. Water is essential for digestion and overall health. Feed your sow consistently and adjust her diet based on her needs, especially during pregnancy. Proper nutrition supports the sow's health and can lead to larger, healthier litters. Point 3. Good housing. Providing a comfortable and safe environment is important for your sow's well-being. Keep the living area clean to prevent diseases. Regularly remove waste and provide fresh bedding. Ensure there is enough space for the sow to move comfortably. Overcrowding can cause stress, which may affect litter size and health. Good airflow helps reduce respiratory issues and keeps the environment fresh. A comfortable sow is more likely to have a successful pregnancy and birth. Point 4. Health care. Regular health care apps and vaccinations are vital. Schedule regular checkups to monitor the sow's health. Keep vaccinations up to date to prevent common diseases. Implement a deworming schedule to keep internal and external parasites under control. A healthy sow is more likely to conceive successfully and carry a healthy litter to term. Breeding management, that's point 5. Proper breeding practices can influence litter size. Breed sows when they reach the appropriate age and weight for their breed. Monitor the sow's heat cycles to determine the best time for breeding. Choose a healthy boar with good genetics to improve the litter size and quality. Effective breeding management can lead to larger litters and healthier piglets. Point 6. Care during pregnancy. Taking good care of the sow during pregnancy is essential. As mentioned earlier, a balanced diet is crucial. Increase feed slightly during the last trimester to support fetal growth. Allow the sow to exercise moderately to maintain muscle tone and prevent obesity. Keep the environment calm and avoid sudden changes that could stress the sow. Proper care during pregnancy supports the development of the piglet and prepares the sow for birth. Point 7. Preparing for birth. That can also be called farrowing. Getting ready for the birth is important for the safety of the sow and her piglets. Prepare a clean, quiet, and comfortable area for the sow to give birth. This can be farrowing pen with clean bedding. Keep an eye on the sow as she approaches her due dates. Signs like restlessness, nest building, and reduced appetite indicate that birth is near. Be ready to assist if there are complications, but avoid unnecessary interference. Consult a veterinarian if you notice any problems. Proper preparation ensures a smoother birthing process and increases the survival rate of the piglet. Point 8. Care after birth. After the piglets are born, providing proper care is crucial. Newborn piglets cannot regulate their body temperature well. Provide a heat lamp or warm bedding to keep them warm. Ensure piglets nest within the first few hours to receive colostrum, the first milk rich in antibodies. This is vital for their immunity. Make sure the area is safe to prevent the sow from accidentally crushing the piglets. Some farmers use farrowing crates to protect the piglets. Proper post-birth care helps piglets survive and thrive. Point 9. Managing large litters. If your sow gives birth to a large number of piglets, additional management may be necessary. If one sow has too many piglets to nurse and another has fewer, you can move some piglets to balance the load. This ensures all piglets get enough milk. Follow these 9 practices and expect large piglets in your farm. If this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. See you in the next video.